Around all day with this fucking thing. Oh yeah, walk away, dick fuck.
I'm trying to find garbage.
Garbage is right by the,
Oh.
Alright.
Oh yeah. That's gonna work out.
Yeah, that'll last thing, alright.
It was Chuckles the Duck. He hadn't seen him in such a long time. And he brought his friend the harp player, Harper. And so away they got in the car and drove away to parts unknown. But suddenly there was an obstacle in the way. So they called the local police department and let them know immediately. But then the obstacle gave them such a sad story of woe, they decided to take him along on the trip. And soon they were in Atlantic City, playing slot machines and gambling the night away. But the obstacle got so drunk, after being so depressed for so long and then so happy for finding new friends, that he became incomprehensible. And so they left him off by the side of the road where he was abducted by aliens. And suddenly, Jason had an idea. Let's go listen to some country music and kick it like regular folk. When they got there, it was much different than they expected. So they crept away without trying to be noticed. But suddenly, Jason had another idea.
Last one.
Let's go to Brazil. It'll be wonderful, he said. And so away they went.